friends in need. You can count on me, like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you, like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.
Yan po kami, guys. Guys! Guys, ayun, nakita niyo po yung overview, guys. Ang ganda na. Ayun pa yung yung isang magandang dilag doon, no? Yung sinasabi ko, guys. Ayun po siya. Guys, ang pagod ba? Sobrang laki ng buong bansa na ito.